Another reason pack rats and clutter bugs procrastinate is because of the fear of letting go. So this goes back to, oh my goodness, we had mixtapes way back when. Do you guys remember the mixtapes? We had all of our favorite songs on one tape, and it was easy to hang on to because instead of listening to a whole bunch of different tapes and carrying around these little portfolios like you see here in the picture of our favorite cassettes, we had all our songs on one tape. And that one tape went inside our vehicle, and then we just left it in there for years and years. Every time we'd get stuck in traffic, we'd play the song, it would pump us up again. Well, now we have that on our phones. Our phones now stream all of those songs. We can have all of our favorite songs that also play via Apple Play or whatever it is in your car, that we don't need the CDs and the cassettes and the 8 tracks and the LPs and all the stuff that we had even when I was a kid, right? I've been through that whole entire evolution, and now it's all in the phone, just like all the books are in the phone. So we've been able now to say without so much pain, because you're not really getting rid of all the favorite songs. You're just getting rid of the cassette tapes, which are the bigger versions of that. So it's like getting rid of an old clunky car in lieu of a new one. It's still transportation that's going to get you from point A to point B, i.e. you still have the same songs, you're going to hear the same music, but you don't have to have the physical tapes or the physical CDs, right? So save those for Lousy Prize Monday. And you're like, what's that? In our business, we have Lousy Prize Monday, where we give away lousy prizes, and most of it's stuff that we're decluttering. And so the other day, somebody gave away some of their CDs. We're like, yes, that's a lousy prize. That was so awesome. We actually rang the bell for that. And then the person that got the lousy prize, and they had to figure out what to do with it, right? Because we're all now in the same train of thought where we're trying to get rid of stuff that we have other options for. With like my great big stack of ideas here, after it's a year or two old, it's not important anymore. Because if it's really important and it's something I was focused on, it's going to come back again and again and again. And I will have written it down multiple times that I can get rid of all of those old versions, right? So instead of hanging on to it because we're afraid that it's the greatest idea in the world, it's really not. All the great ideas you have are up in your head. And if you forgot what they are, you can ask a question now online and the internet somewhere, Jeeves, ChatGPT, Google, Alexa, Siri. There's somebody out there